Okay, so BYND is moving higher. This is something I've mentioned as an absolute freak of nature. It has 0 shares available to short. The borrow rate has vacillated between 100 and 200%. Really, it's crazy. And it's what, 45% short interest? I don't know how they get out, but this cost of carry to short BYND is ridiculous. So do keep this on your radar. I know I keep talking about it, and I'm not saying it's going to be a GME. Okay, a GameStop, but it could be.
This short clip is presented by Club. Club provides access to Samantha LaDuc and her team of professional macro and micro traders, analysts, and educators. Club is ideal for active traders, investors, and institutions who want Samantha's best-of-breed market timing calls across all asset classes and timeframes like chase, swing, and trend. Get the trade before it happens. Sign up to Club now and get full access to daily live trading room with Samantha LaDuc, Slack trading desk with detailed analysis and trades, custom trade support when you need it, and much more. For more information, visit www.LaDucTrading.com/club.
I'm not saying it's going to be a GameStop. I'm just saying there's way too many shorts in here, unable to get out. And the more people learn how many shorts are trapped, the more they're going to come and gun for this. I know I've been talking about this for a solid week and a few days, but this is a gorgeous Bollinger Band expansion. It's above my 55. It's pressing up to my 100-day. You know how I feel about all this. And you got the fundamentals behind it. It's a small crap stock, not a small cap stock. It's a small crap stock. And this puppy's going higher. I just don't know how it's not going to. Now, I had a thesis back in July of 2020 with GameStop. You can't even see it anymore because it's way the heck over here. And literally in July, it was my $4 to $40 stock on a very similar theme, which was that short interest. And then it got all kinds of attention. And then it did this right in January. So this was actually, it's done a stock split, but it went from 240 to 480. And yeah, clients made a fortune. But the point is, this was a freak of nature. And I know that they're not going to let that happen with BYND. There's no way they're going to let that happen with BYND. But it has a kind of sort of similar profile, right? So 4 to 40 was all I was looking for, and it went to 480 on a freak of nature, anomaly. Just know that BYND could easily push back up at least, into this 46 area. Outsized move. I'm not saying it will by any stretch of the imagination, but at least let's see what happens with this. There's 12, there's 14, gets above that, heads back up to 19. These only move on short covering. There's no fundamental reason to buy this. It's gorgeous though. BKNG has been really nice. Yep. BYND is, if you really are interested in this, might want to just do stock. Can I make that suggestion? The IV, unless you know how to really expertly anticipate how to play a gamma squeeze, which this is above 200. It can go to 300, 400, 500, 600. Crazy biotech type IV explosions can happen, right? So unless you know how to sell or a call spread, because it's, you're also going to have massive decay when it goes sideways. Don't do anything short duration. That's just a suggestion, is to do the stock, literally. As long as it stays above $9, right? This thing is actually, this already busted above $7.59 onto the 55. Anyway, I still think anything above $9 is going to be a very decent play for BYND. No, BYND is absolutely a trade. This is one of my, I think this is going to blow up, but I don't know how quickly. I just see that this is a move up to, maybe we get to 14 and then let's see. But it's going to take a while to unwind those shorts. DOCU, love this one. Whoever asked me about this one before earnings last week, whatever it was, I said, this is gorgeous, right? Coming up off the bottom, was clearing beautifully, seriously, but I said I had no edge into earnings, but I said it looked like it was going to go into 49.60 into earnings, and then I got no edge. Look at that, gorgeous tag, opened up the next day above 49.60, 52.18, 56.63. Look, this is coming into play. Love this setup. Looked just gorgeous, and it's working. So DOCU, beautiful. Again, update that, Tiffany, please. It's coming into 56.63. It should absolutely have a little pause there. Otherwise, above 56.63, I've got 58.75. Beautiful continuation play. DOCU oversold bounce, still working beautifully. That was before earnings, after earnings. It looks great.
Subscribe to LaDuc Trading YouTube channel for more live trading room recap videos and other content.